Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign, and today in this session we will understand Freight Forwarder CHA working procedure. And before this session we have understood what is the procedure of the Freight Forwarder container booking system. Okay, so in that session as a shipper, as an exporter, we have instructed to Freight Forwarder for booking a container from Nhava Sheva to Dalian China port. Okay, so in that session, the CHA and Freight Forwarder take out the different shipping line for the container booking, and here you see the transit time and freight charges. Okay, on the comparison basis, which is the minimum charges and minimum transit time, our Freight Forwarder book the containers from the shipping line online website. Okay. And then CHA Freight Forwarder paid some charges to the shipping line, okay, in respect of picking the empty container from the shipping line yard. Okay, so these charges paid on the behalf of the exporter, behalf of us. Okay, we are exporter, so behalf of us he paid some charges. Okay, so in respect of that charges, shipping line arranged the delivery order to the Freight Forwarder. Okay, then Freight Forwarder, behalf of this booking, arrange the empty container from the shipping line yard. Now the session is in which we will understand what is the next procedures when shipping line giving the delivery order and Freight Forwarder arrange the empty container. Okay, so on basis of the booking, mention detail regarding the container number, port of loading, port of discharge, estimate time of departure from the port of origin, what is the port of arrival time. Okay, all details mentioned in the booking details paper. Okay, this paper need to show at the CFS of the shipping line, like a must, HAPAG and MSC. For example, we book the container from the must, so our Freight Forwarder transporter will pick up the container, empty container from the must line shipping yard. Okay, so what we check? We check out the container. He will match the container number which is booking received from the shipping line. Okay, then he will pick this container from the CFS and ICD. Okay, CFS, we can say so now CFS, but we can say shipping line yard. Okay, then this container will reach at the factory of the shipper. Okay, means our factory. Here we are the exporter, so Freight Forwarder send this empty container to the one factory. Okay, then next step is what will, as per our packing is arranged by us, packing team will dispatch the goods. Okay, and in parallelly we need to share the document to our Freight Forwarder. Okay, in previously we already shared the shipping line the invoice for the booking of the container, but at this stage we need to share it with along with the booking list and commercial invoice. On basis of this invoice and commercial invoice, Freight Forwarder file the shipping bill in the custom. Okay, in prior basis. Okay, before the shipment reaches to the shipping yard, custom yard, the Freight Forwarder CHA need to file the shipping bill to the custom. Okay, so once this approval process will be done by the shipper, that all the details is submitted to the custom is okay, then ship will go ahead to forwarder. Okay, and then Freight Forwarder okay to the custom, then custom will generate the shipping bill to the Freight Forwarder, and these shipping bill numbers need to mention at the time of entry in the custom. Okay, so what is the procedure? Next step, at the factory level, our container is stuck in container, documentation is prepared, the set of documents which need for the custom place hand over to the driver, and this container move from our factory to the ICD, custom ICD. Okay, so here the examination process will be done. Okay, another activity will be done. So what is the next step? when the container move from factory, the shipping bill number is carried with the driver and he will reach at the ICD and CFS. What is the operation here? Okay, the operation is that container will unload it from the truck. Okay, but before entering this container into the CFS area, the driver must be show the shipping bill number to this CFS. Okay, on basis of the shipping bill number, he can allow to container inside the CFS. The next step is the container is unloaded, and as per shipping bill filed by the freight forwarder, examination process will be done from the custom officer. Custom officer may open the containers, okay, and sometimes it's physical examination done. So in when container open and physical exam done, on the shipping bill examination mark yes, okay. If container is not open and physical exam not done, then in shipping bill mention examination no. Okay. So what is the stage? Check in verify this. Once container is kept in the CFS and ICD examination process, the document is presented by our freight forwarder to the custom officer. Customer officer will check out properly all the documents in respect of the container, commodity and HSN. On basis that he given to approval to proceed this shipment to further stage, means that examination process will done if all details are matching as per requirement of the customer. Then next stage is the container will move from CFS to port of loading. Okay, so in this process, the container will hand over by custom to the shipping company, or we can say Indian Railways or Concor. Okay, so this is the procedures in which freight forwarder arrange the containers at ICD level operation and the examination level operation at the custom. Okay, so guys, in this session we have tried to understand what is the procedures by the freight forwarder to the custom and CFS. So guys, we just are going to end this session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.